All right, we are going to change the oil in my truck today. We actually tried to do this about a week and a half ago, but we did not have enough oil. Since then, we've bought more, and now we're going to try to do it today. That is the plan. Bingo. Okay, be ready to... I think we got it right.
Hopefully.
There's a lot of people out there that think that to be a country boy, you have to have a big truck and a four-wheel drive, and you have to work the crap out of it, and you got to beat it up.
I took you for a ride.
Take care of your trucks.
Still going.
That's a full bucket of oil.
Let's see what we got here. We're right above this first line, so.
We can't show the camera. Wait, oh, there it is.
We got a lot to go.
We got ways to go.
That's a terrible reading. Still got the drips.
Still got the drips.
That's called an alternator.
Lucy. Don't you get any smart ideas. I'm not gonna hurt you. You don't hurt me. Okay? Hi guys. How you doing? How's everybody doing? I guess he's vibing. I don't really know. Pretty good looking bull. My mom does not like him. Probably because he's a bull. And bulls have reputations. That one so far does not have a reputation, and I hope it stays that way. Well, actually, I guess he does have a little bit of a reputation. There was a couple times where he has bluff charged us, but kind of a mutual relationship. We don't bother him, he doesn't bother us. We give him his food, he leaves us alone. We've had steers, just steers, normal steers, that have been more of a pain than a bull. So he's pretty good. Hey, stop eating the poopy. So we are at the point now where we're feeding about a bale of hay a day, one small bale. We fed everything that was in the big hay bay. There were 24, 26 big bales, big square bales. Fed all of those all winter. Now we have counted, there might be a couple more crammed in here, but I think there's like 15 or 16 of those small bales left. Gives us about 2 weeks. They're not eating, and they're not entirely eating one bale a day, but that's what I'm feeding just to keep it enough in front of them, stacked up all the way up that we do. So I'm going to say 3 weeks is stretching it, but that's about the rest of the hay that we got. So conservatively, we got 2 weeks of hay left. Hopefully, looking at the 15 day, there's a lot of rain. That means the steers are going to be spending a lot of time in this barn. They got nothing better to do than eat. So hopefully the warm weather will stay and the grass will sprout and they won't be eating a whole lot and they'll just be grazing. Otherwise, we might be in a predicament. Predicament meaning we'll have to buy hay. I guess it's not too bad. Literally, all we would need is to buy like one big bale and feed that. We always want to keep hay in front of them. If we buy one big bale, then we'll probably have enough that we can keep it in front of them throughout May, rest of April, and maybe even into June until we get hay from fields.